Hi, my name is Dr. Steve Miners of Rehab Effects in Austin, Texas, and today we'll be discussing sports nutrition therapy. Various athletes present to our office with various conditions that they've incurred while performing their sport of choice, whether it's basketball, football, running, as in training for a marathon, soccer, baseball. And there are certain areas of the body that just must be addressed with just about every injury. And we're going to go over some of those today. We use here all pharmaceutical grade supplements such as Ligapien from NutriWest as an example. And we use this to address the myofascial gellosis that may occur in an injured muscle. What is myofascial gellosis? Those are the little crystalline structures and metabolites that will form inside of the muscle when it's been injured, because when blood with oxygen comes to that area, it's not able to get all of the metabolites out of the area, and so therefore they form and settle in the muscle, and that actually can decrease or delay recovery. Also, adrenal function. Your adrenal glands are your stress glands, and an injured muscle, although it may seem minimal to you, it is putting stress on the body. That has to be addressed. So we would use a pharmaceutical grade supplement such as Adrenal Life Para, which is bovine adrenal, or we may use a DSF, which is a de-stress formula. Another area that needs to be addressed is cortisol. Cortisol is your stress hormone. If cortisol levels are too high or too low, it's going to make it harder for you to recover. So, cortisol is a hormone that it varies. It's what's called diurnal. So it's higher at some times during the day and lower at other times during the day. And that needs to be balanced. So we would use a product called Pro-Cortisol Balance to help with that. When you're sleeping at night, that is when your body heals the best and the most. If cortisol levels are abnormal and not functioning properly during that time, then you may not get good sleep and you may not heal as well. Also, some people also complain of increased weight gain, increased appetite, and therefore those are things that all need to be addressed. We also have increased lactic acid, which is usually another item that must be addressed in this whole process, and you would use a product called Pro-Lactic Redux to help reduce that. The last one is a natural anti-inflammatory, and that one is called Pro-Inflazyme, another pharmaceutical grade supplement. That one we would use to address something called a flex withdrawal reflex, which we have discussed in previous segments relating to cold laser therapy. Often here at Rehab Effects, we use the cold laser therapy and the pharmaceutical grade supplements in tandem in order to accelerate recovery and decrease pain.